Hello, this is Kevin from Lock It Up Salon, and today I want to show you how I go through the process of making artificial locks, and later on show you how I will be fixing it on the client's hair because the client is coming in today to have her hair done. So there are some that I've already made. You can see them right here. Yeah, here they are, quite long. So what I'll do, I'll make one for you to see how I do it, and later on you will see how I will be fixing it on the client's hair. Thank you and enjoy following along. This is a 5mm 3-hooked crochet. This is the one that I'll be using to make the artificial locks. And this one is long fluffy kinky, color 230. I'll be mixing it with black because this is what the client chose. Welcome and follow along. So I start by just loosening it up. Yeah, just loosening it up. Okay, after doing that, I just clip it on my table. I use this clipper. Actually, this one is a photography equipment. I use it to clip the photography backdrop, but I also use it here to make these artificial locks. So after clamping it on the table that way, I think you can see how I've clamped it. Let me move the camera back. Okay. So let's start. since I will be joining it with the black part, I'll leave these ones like this, so that it will be able to adhere to the black one. Okay, so this is the black one. Since I don't need a long black part, so what I'll do, I'll just cut it in half, and maybe divide it in half too. Just loosening it, just like I did before the first part. Then I will comb this part that I will use to join the other part this way. So I will leave this part loose. This is the part that I will join with the hair.